Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Shleee Phoenix Feather and yours YS08. I'm starting off with IMK PLEs and here is Phoenix Feather. Oh pretty. It is gorgeous. And it is by Shleee Polish. So I'm going to go in with my first coat and it is very squishy. It's a very much of a jelly. I am so in love with this. It was reminding me of watermelon. Oh my. Wintertime, and now it's going to make me want watermelon. How wrong. So I have made a little bit of a mess. Hi Woody, how you doing? Easy enough to get clean. And here we go with the second coat of Phoenix Feather. Love all that shimmer and sparkle and glitter goodness in there. Oh, how pretty. So I'm going to go in with the third coat. It's a jelly, so, you know, I don't really mind going in for a third coat. Kind of build it up a little bit more. Got to smooth that end over a little bit. I've kind of wrangled it up, wrinkled it up. And I am going to top this with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. Get it to dry down. See, that wrinkle ended up smoothing out just fine on the end. Not a problem. And Woody is back. Back for some more. There's a photo of it all on its own. And here is yours, YS08. I'll be using Bold Gold from Maybelline Color Show. Conad Stamper and Beauty Scraper, and I've just decided I'm going to use just a little bit of all this. I'm going to just use it all. I'm going to use a little piece of tape though to get up the parts that I don't want. There we go. That just pops over that red. I am so excited. So all of these images work together. They're all very cohesive and very, you know, got that same vibe going on. So I figured I would just use bits and pieces of all of it, you know. There we go. Get that one some covered up. Almost like paisley swirls or something. I don't know. Raindrops or, I don't know, something like that. Turn that plate around so I can get to the other side of this image. And that is the same image that was on my thumb, so they'll kind of work together. And then finally for that pinky nail, ta-da! There we go. So I am going to clean that plate off with pure acetone and a cotton ball. And then wipe over it with a paper towel. And then as far as around my fingernails, I will be using a piece of tape to get up any excess stamping polish. Or, well, this was regular polish, but, you know, get that polish off my skin. And then I am going to hop in with my cleanup brush and some acetone. Very little cleanup here on this one though. And I am again going to top it with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. There we go. Oh, it's still squishy looking. I love it. So here is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I'd like to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.